Welcome to PeerLearning.net. In this video, we will review the process of creating groups for a lesson. If we have elected to randomize students when launching the lesson, we will find that all the students in our class have been randomly assigned to groups already. If we choose to assign students manually, we will find that all students are listed on this side of the window. From here, we can do several different things. We can click and drag students into groups one at a time. Alternatively, we can use the group chooser and select students for a specific group from a list of all students in the class. Finally, we may elect to shuffle the groups, which asks PeerLearning.net to assign students at random to each group. From here, we can further edit our group configuration. We may elect, for example, to swap students from one group to another. Or if we happen to have a student with special needs, we may elect to pair that student with another. In this case, we create a buddy for a special needs student. These two students now have the same role in the group, and they will move through the lesson as a unit. If we happen to do this by mistake, we can move these two students to the unassigned area and then place them into groups individually. We may also decide to create extra students in a group. For example, we may add a fourth student to a group of 3. This may be advantageous if you plan to run a lesson over multiple days and are concerned that you may not have every student returning in subsequent days. This gives you the ability to have extra students to fill in any holes that might be created by absent students in the future. You can assign students to different roles simply by toggling here. When we are satisfied with our group configuration, and every group has at least one student in each role, we can either save the group for later, or we can elect to start the lesson.